remove an Instagram account from your account. Open your Instagram account whom you want to remove from the account list. So after that, like you can see in the profile section, I have to click on this drop down and see I have two accounts and I want to remove this account from my account list. So here is no any option after holding or clicking on this account. So you have to remove this account from another method. So that is simply you have to click on this three line just at the top right corner of your screen. So simply tap on it. So after opening setting and activity, you will have to scroll down and find the option log out. So it's in the last. So you can simply log out the selected or logged in account one by one. So after clicking on this, I can log out my account from my Instagram account list. So as usual, I can also remove all the accounts that are available in my Instagram account. So for that, you have to choose the option for log out of all account from here. So now I'm removing the selected or logged in account. So simply click on it and simply tap on this logout option. Okay, now it's logged into another account. So as you can see, the account has been removed from my Instagram account list. So likewise, you can also remove the Instagram account from your account list. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon there. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.